Hello, this is Tesla Travis, and this video is going to be about the 2018 mid-range Tesla Model 3 supercharging speeds on software 219.20.2.1. All right, let's hear it. All right, so just to give you a little background, it seems like the speeds have gotten faster for supercharging ever since I got my car. I've had it about 6 months now. And I usually charge to about 90% charge. A lot of people will charge to 80%. Elon said 90% was okay, so let's go with that. So ever since I've been charging to 90%, anytime I'm below 20% and I charge up to 90%, it would take about 50 minutes. And with the new recent updates, that's been getting faster. And on this most recent update, it's 40 minutes. So just this morning, I went to 90%. I think I was at 5% all the way to 90, and it took about 40 minutes, which is about 10 minutes faster than it used to be. So overall speeds are definitely faster in these newer updates. But also, even if you're not charging up to 90% or 80%, just charging to 50%, those are getting faster too. So as you can see in this video, I went to the Temecula Supercharger. It's a 150 kilowatt supercharger. They upgraded that not too long ago. And I plugged in about 5%, and you can see that the kilowatts were about 120 kilowatts, but it stayed at 120 kilowatts. It didn't ramp down very, very fast. Before these recent updates, I was lucky to get over 100 kilowatts. The update before this, I would get to 123 kilowatts just for a couple seconds. And then within, a minute or two, it would ramp down to 110, and then it was below 100 within 5-10 minutes. So the speeds are definitely getting better. It sounds like Tesla is sending updates. They've been doing testing to see what the cars can take, which is really good. It's nice to start at low charging speeds and do all the analysis and see what they can take and see how much faster we can get without degrading the battery. So that's good. So this video is really for the mid-range people. If you didn't know, there's different size batteries, and these different batteries charge at different speeds. So there's the standard, I guess, which is 220 miles. The standard plus is 240 miles battery. I have the mid-range, which is 264 miles range battery. And then they have the long-range battery, which is either 310 or 325, depending on whether you have dual motor or non-dual motor. So yeah, definitely the new update 2019.20.2.1 has increased the supercharging speeds, not just for my mid-range, but for all the cars, I'm sure. But just as an example of the mid-range, they only had this car out for a little while, this version. So there's some people have some questions about, how fast this one charges versus the other one. So this is a video showing you the whole thing. So hopefully you can use this information. But yeah, we'll see what the new updates come and how much faster they get. And definitely if I get to a Supercharger 3, version 3, I'll test that too and post it. So yeah, that's the video and that's how fast I went. So that's the rest of the story. So take care. We'll see you on the next video. Like and subscribe, and we'll yak at you later. Bye-bye.